Qualifying section of 5 and 6. Here we go with Real Street, Super Street. First pair out, John Hayslip and Darren Barone. Numbers 3 and 4 qualifiers. We separated by 18 thousandths of a second. Let's go! And the Let's Go Brandon car on the left side of the racetrack. All right, everybody with me now. Let's go, Brandon. Yeah. God bless America. I wonder if that Chevrolet Camaro came with a mullet. Severn Marin for John Hayslip. 422 cubic inches under the hood. Currently your number 4 qualifier, Darren Barone. Greenlaw, New York, the 1980 Mustang is currently number 3 in qualifying. Everybody's trying to get inside of the 769 to go number 1. You see the 920 on the scoreboard. That is the bump spot to make a quick 32 field here in Real Street.